Fluffy.
And we're on a mission to be fabulous.
Bring joy, and most importantly, bring the house down! I am so happy to be here today. Are you all happy to be here with us today?
Look at those smiles.
How about you, Faye? Are you so happy to be together with us today?
Well, I am so happy to be here today, but I'm actually feeling a little bit sad.
Oh, what happened?
Well, I was so excited about coming today, and of course I picked my most favorite dress.
And I love it. Doesn't Faye look great in this dress?
Yes.
Oh, thank you, everybody.
It's great.
Thank you so much. Do any of you have anything that you like to wear that makes you feel extra special?
I like to wear my superhero shirt because I feel very good.
What about you, Alicia?
I like wearing my dream jacket.
Well, those are all such great things.
And usually when I put on my dress, I feel incredible, but someone said to me that it wasn't right that I was wearing my dress.
Oh, but Faye, it's wonderful to be different. I love being different. Everybody is different. Look at the person beside you. Are they exactly the same as you?
No, not me.
Well, why don't you tell us about some of the things that are different about each other? Yeah.
I have epilepsy and aphasia speech.
Yeah, so that's something that's different than the way some other kids speak. But we can still hear you and understand you, and we love to hear what you say.
I'm wearing yellow. He's wearing green. Me and Kai have the same shirt, but we don't have the same pants.
That's right.
That's right.
I'm wearing different socks today, and that's okay.
But why does it feel so terrible?
Because sometimes being different can make us sad, and that doesn't feel good on the inside.
It doesn't feel good at all.
How can we make Faye feel better about having her feelings hurt?
Make funny faces like this.
Why don't you close your eyes, put your hands over your eyes, and we're all gonna make silly, funny faces. 1, 2, 3.
It's making me feel so much better. I love being different.
No, you are.
No, you. I said you.
No, you are.
You're doing it wrong.
Buzz, Moogie, what's going on?
Will you tell Moogie that they don't know how to tie their shoes?
Will you tell Fuzz that they are the one that doesn't know how to tie their shoes?
Do you both need some help?
Nope, we can both tie our shoes.
Well, that's great. Then why are you arguing?
I showed Moogie how I tie my shoes the way my mom taught me. Make a loop, and then swooping the other lace around, and then pulling both ends at the same time.
When I tie my shoes, I make 2 loops like bunny ears, then I cross them together and pull.
Which is the wrong way to do it.
No, actually yours is the wrong way.
Whoa, so all of this is about tying shoelaces?
Of course.
It's the most important thing happening right now.
Fuzz, what is it about the way that Moogie is doing it that is so wrong?
Because it's different than the way I do it.
No, yours is the wrong way, because it's different than my way.
Just because it's different doesn't mean it's wrong. It's just the way that that one person or hamster or troll likes to do it, so it makes them feel happy.
Fuzz, does your way make you happy?
Oh, I love tying my shoelaces that way. Does your way make you feel happy?
I love bunny ears.
Well, maybe we can both teach each other our special ways.
Then we know 2 ways to tie our shoes.
And then we'd both be unstoppable.
A high five.
Ha! Hey, Fan Fluffy, how do you tie your shoes?
Look, I got cool zippers.
I have Velcro right in the front.
Why don't we all show off our special shoes by dancing?
Yay!
Hit it!
Are we ready for our settle down song?
I think that we should do it.
Everybody settle down, how quiet can you be? Shake real fast, shake real slow, stand still as a tree. Now sit right down and gather round, it's story time. We've settled down, now take a look, let's open up this book.
Today's book is Everybody's Different on Everybody's Street. Words by Cherie Fitch, art by Emma Fitzgerald. If ever you go traveling on everybody's street, you'll see everybody's different than everyone you meet. Did you hear how some of those words sounded similar?
They rhyme.
They rhyme.
Some lope along giraffe-like, some shuffle hippopotami, some strut about like peacocks, others ostrich shy, some yap like wee chihuahuas.
How do chihuahuas sound?
You got a room full of chihuahuas. Some flap like cawing crows. Caw-caw. Some are meditating dolphins. Others, tortoise, turtle, slow. Some thunder walk like elephants. Some dance about like ants. Some are wearing purple polka dotted, zebra striped pants. Yes, some are wearing purple polka dotted, zebra striped pants.
If you ever go traveling on everybody's street, you'll see everybody's different than everyone you meet.
Some live messy as tornadoes. Some are paper clipping meat. Some grow juicy red tomatoes. Some don't have enough to eat. Some of us walk arabesque. Some of us walk jive. Some of us are waltzing weary. Some of us survive.
If ever you go traveling on everybody's street, you'll see everybody's different than everyone you meet.
Some of us hold bags of hope like babies in our arms. Some hop over sidewalk cracks in search of good luck charms. Some are hiding pride inside. We are human helium balloons. Some of us don't love ourselves, some migrate to the moon. Some of us wear hats of worry 7 stories high. Most of us are in a hurry and we often don't know why. And we often don't know why.
If ever you go traveling on everybody's street, you'll see everybody's different than everyone you meet.
Some give compliments and bear hugs. Let's all give ourselves a bear hug. Some are aching for applause. All of us are perfect, and all of us have flaws.
If ever you go traveling on everybody's street, you'll see everybody's different than everyone you meet.
Some are cuddly koalas looking for some special one. Some of us have family, and some of us have none. Some are alligator angry. Some orangutans at play. Some are bored as buffaloes. Some hummingbirds that pray. Some of us have visions. Some of us have schemes. Some of us have wishes. Some of us have dreams.
If ever you go traveling on everybody's street, you'll see everybody's different than everyone you meet.
Some prefer the sunshine. Some live in the dark. Some of us have shelter, and some of us sleep in the park. Some are mad as thunder. Some as sad as rain. Most of us are glad at times, and all of us know pain.
So, if ever you go traveling to everybody's street, this is what you come to understand. You are everybody and everyone you meet. That's what everybody knows down on everybody's street.
Yes, everyone is traveling on everybody's street, and everyone is everyone and anyone you meet.
The end.
Oh, We love you all so much, and we're so happy that you were here with us today.
Remember to care.
Remember to be kind, and remember to read. I love being different! See you next time, everyone!